Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable crossplay voice chat on Warzone 2. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Call of Duty, just click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, enabling the crossplay voice chat on Warzone 2 can offer numerous advantages for players and improve the overall gaming experience because number one, crossplay voice chat allows players on different platforms to communicate seamlessly, promoting teamwork and coordination during matches. If you have friends playing on other platforms, crossplay voice chat enables you to strategize and coordinate your gameplay more effectively. Enabling crossplay voice chat increases the pool of potential teammates and opponents, leading to quicker matchmaking and more diverse gaming experiences. And by connecting players across different platforms, crossplay voice chat fosters a stronger sense of community within the Warzone 2 player base. Now, I'm here on the Battle.net client, and from here all I have to do is hover to the cog icon settings. Okay, click on it, and from here all I have to do is go to the voice chat and make sure that all of the speakers and headphones and systems are working. If you can, you might want to click on the test microphone. Okay, so this is how you enable crossplay voice chat here in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. As you can see, it's really working, right? You can also click on the open mic. You can push to talk if you wanted. You can also toggle mute key if you want. But of course, on the output device, make sure you connect the appropriate device for that. Because if you say, for example, use other options here, there's a highly chance that there's going to be a problem whenever you enable the crossplay and voice chats. And you might of course want to hover or slide off of the volume to the comfort level of your system. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on done. But if you want to reset the defaults, all you have to do is click on this one and you're good to go. But the thing is, if you encounter any problems along the way enabling crossplay voice chat in Call of Duty, just go here instead. This is the official Call of Duty support center. And from here, choose the topic that you wanted, and that's going to be Call of Duty. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.